Hello everybody, it's the 11th of May today and my Gingko Biloba is growing away nicely, but as always growing away really well at the top at the expense of stuff down below, and I'm basically going to cut it back quite hard at the top like so. You can see what I'm doing for all these leaves. And leave some of the lower stuff free to get some sun and to grow. Yeah, that's probably enough for today. Is it? I maybe trim that one. Yeah. We will pop back and look at this tree every now and again. I had wired this branch down a little more, and I think I might need to... Yeah, I think I'm going to need to put some more wire on that. We shall see. No, definitely. Okay, so that's better with a little bit of wire on there. This piece, I don't know, it looked alright when the tree was bare, but now the tree's in full leaf, these shoots are all just growing one into another, and I think I'm just going to lose that before I lose my nerve. That's going to be better for the tree in the long run. We'll come back and visit this tree again later in the summer, and we'll see if chopping back this top gives this bottom any more oomph. Hello everybody, it's the 30th of May today, and oh hello really, just it's the 30th of May. You want a biscuit, Cooper? There you go. I was almost forgetting this is part of a Timey Wimey video then. Cooper's decided, oh well, it's worth appearing in front of the camera for a biscuit. In fact, he'd like another. Would you like another? A nice Cooper do? Can you wait for? Very good. You're a good boy. Okay, so yeah, here we are with this Gingko Biloba, and pruning back these bits has had exactly the Cooper D. You can't climb up there. Are you that hungry? Oh, last one. No more. Till later. What was I saying? I've completely forgotten what I was saying now. Cooper the camera shy collie is going to take no more for an answer, which is good. Yes, pruning back, as I did in the previous section of video, these three pieces has encouraged these lower branches to do their thing as I hoped it would, and so I can now shorten that back and shorten this back to buds facing in the right direction, and I'm getting some nice little bit of ramification, which is nice. And I keep getting comments to say that you know, they don't ramify and they don't look like this, but of course it does look like this, and I don't know why. Perhaps ignorance is bliss, and no one ever told it or me that a Gingko couldn't do this sort of branching effect, and so it has. I don't know, I could be talking out of my hat, but anyway, so there we have it. Just a quick update. In fact, I think I'm going to trim that one back a little more, just to making it more of a triangular shape. And again, I know people will say, well, that's not necessarily the right shape for a ginkgo, to which I will give one of my standard replies is, my trees don't have to win me prizes at bonsai shows. They don't have to look like everyone else's bonsai. They don't even have to conform to the standards of bonsai particularly. All they have to do is make me smile when I look at them on the bench. And this one makes me smile. So there you have it. I'm going to put it back on the bench. And we'll come back and look at it again before I end this video later in the year. So it's the 12th of September today, and apologies for the agricultural machinery grumbling away in the background. I don't know what the farmer's doing, something, but we're stopping very quickly with the ginkgo. It's still throwing up new shoots like nobody's business from the upper areas of the tree, and I'm just going to snip those back once more. Autumn's coming, but isn't quite here yet, so I'm just nipping that out. I've already removed the wire from this piece, so this is probably, well, I'm not going to end the video here. I'm going to wait, treat you to the autumn foliage, but this is probably the best the tree's going to look this year. I noticed I had a little bit of dieback, just spotted that as it's come round, so I'm just going to nip that piece back to that little branch there. Don't know why that's died off, but it did. As the old saying goes, they do that, don't they, though? What was I trying to say? Well, first of all, it's the 24th of October today, and my glorious ginkgo is on the turn. As you can see, it's just starting to go that glorious shade of yellow. What it does. A couple of leaves dropping here and there, and I'm hoping another week or so and it'll be fully yellow, and I'll be able to finish this video on that high note for you. Okay, so it's the 5th of November today, and just gonna finish up this ginkgo video with just a little shot of how it's turning to this gorgeous butter yellow. It does. Really goes nicely with the blue of the pot, I feel. It's almost at the point of dropping the leaves, but for now I'm going to call it a day here, and I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do all the usual YouTube things, liking, the subscribing, comment away below, but most of all, please, 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 stay safe, everybody.